So I started January 1st, 23 with Momentum. It was like the start of the year. I started the training class the week prior. I had no intention to ever doing door knocking in my life. I didn't have any sales experience. I went to school for sports massage, was working with like dancers and athletes. Finally, I kind of like found momentum and thought, let me give it a shot. So I kind of worked my way up the ranks with that. Within 3 months, I made ATL. Another 3 months after that, made team lead. And then I started in the LIC office as well. And then I moved to the Plainview office because there was no manager there. And I was told like, hey, if I keep doing what I'm doing, I can work my way into a management role. So I just stuck with it. And then another 3 months after that, I made the ADM role. So I kind of had like a really quick transition into management. Long story short, this job completely changed my life, like completely. I learned a lot about myself, dealing with anxiety, overcoming issues, talking to people, learning about communication skills, managing a team. I think the best leaders they come from the best canvassers. I think when I started, I didn't want to be a student. I was doing my own thing. I was like reading a book in the back of the van. I wasn't paying attention to anything that was going on. I thought I was good at this and I really wasn't. Be a student, be coachable. That's huge. And that there's a lot of things that go into that, but just be open to learning and knock more doors. No, I think the more people you talk to, the better, the more confident you're gonna get, the better you're gonna get at this stuff. Like you just got to go out and experience it. You could learn, you could read constantly how to do something and like practice all the time, but you got to just get out there and actually do it. I think failure is the best. Like don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay to go to a door and mess up. That's fine. I think just embrace the upward, like and fail forward. You know what I mean? So I
Sure.
think that helped me with anxiety a lot. And then again, picking people's brains, like, what did you do? How did you deal with this? That kind of stuff. I think that day one energy is huge. When you're like that first month in the job, it's all new. You're trying to figure it out. Even that second month, like I struggled. It was my third month that really things started clicking for me. And then in my
Sure.
fourth month, April, is when I hit that record. So like it just takes time.